Hi everyone, I've been installing some floor mats for the Grand Highlander that I just got a couple of months ago. I have not had time to install them. I just put some weight on them to get their shape. I'll be putting the link in the description. And let's say that they come like that, it's right there. So, reason I'm installing this because the SUV gets dirty pretty quick, as you can see. Babies like to get it dirty. Hey, it's okay. And that's how dirty it gets. My 2-year-old goes here. My newborn, he's 3 months, he goes over there. Let me see the front, how dirty it is. Let's check the other side. Side is dirtier. That's where we kind of get in the middle seat, my wife or me, once in a while, so they won't be alone in the back seat. Oh, that grass dirty. Front seat, it's worse. So, before I start, I'm gonna do a vacuum, then I'm gonna install them, see how it goes. These are the factory ones. I already took the other ones out. I mean, these ones out, and I put the other ones in. How they look. I think with time you go back down, fold down. Got some areas, not too much. Right here. But it fits pretty good. I like them. Over here too, just like the way they fit. Let me pick this. It does has Velcro right there. All this area right here. Let me put the instructions so I can see them. That's the first side. If I want to pause the video, turn around. Okay, so let me show you how the second row came out. Just need some time setting to sit down. It's good all the way around though. Let's see how how they will work. passenger. It does go under the seat, maybe like 6-7 inches. Let me do the third row. This one, it's a little bit more to settle down. Put some weight on it. Still fits good though. I'll put a link in the description where I bought them. It was Amazon. Can't remember how much it was, but prices go up and down. Or I would just say probably just up. Oh.